Welcome everyone. I'm here again to continue with the calculations in chemistry. Today I'm going to have a look at mass volume of liquid in a reaction. What is the liquid we are talking about here? That is the acid used. So, and the solid used here is zinc. All right. There's an omission. This is 2 mole per dm cube HCl. Yeah, HCl. Okay, that means the acid we are talking about here is what? Hydrochloric acid. So the first thing is you write the equation of reaction between zinc and HCl. Do not forget, it's one of the common knowledge in chemistry that when a metal which is higher than hydrogen in the series react with an acid, then hydrogen gas will be what? Liberated. Okay? So take note of that. Now that means here I want to write the equation. This zinc reacting with hydrochloric acid to give zinc chloride and hydrogen gas liberated. So let's balance the equation. Yeah, it's balanced. So it is this information we want to work with now. How do we go about that? Don't forget that we are looking for what? Volume of HCl. But what we are given is molar concentration of HCl. So the next thing that will come to your mind is, how do you change the molar concentration to what? Volume. That is the first thing. But then, according to the reaction, you have to consider the reaction given. You notice that it is 1 mole of zinc that reacts with what? 2 moles of what? HCl. All right. This is 2 mole of HCl. So according to this reaction, 1 mole of zinc reacts with 2 mole. These two. But 1 mole of zinc is equivalent to 65 grams. That means 65 grams of what? Zinc will react with what? 2 moles of HCl. This 2 mole is this. I have changed this 1 mole to 65 grams. Why? Because I am given mass of zinc. So that means I need to change that mole to gram for zinc. But I don't need to change that of HCl because I'm still dealing with what? With moles. Okay? Now, that means 6.5 grams of zinc. Let's say we liberate we react rather with Y moles HCl. Because we don't know. That's why I used Y. Okay? You can use any letter. So the next thing is to cross multiply. Let me underline. So let's cross multiply and make Y the subject. So Y will be equals to 6.5 times 2 divided by 65. This mathematics now. And what would that give us? That would be 0.1 times 2, which is 0.2 what? Mole. Yeah. 0.2 mole. That means 0.2 mole of HCl will react with 6.5 grams of what? Zinc. But it is that 0.2 moles now that we need to find its volume. How do we find it? By using a formula that connects volume and moles together. The formula is number of mole is equal to molar concentration times volume in cm cube divided by 1000. Yeah, why am I making particular about cm cube? Because of this 1000. Supposing that the volume is in dm cube, then I don't need to write 1000. Take note of that. So that means if I clean this one now, I will have to clean this. It means that the volume we are going to get will be what? dm cube. Because look at this. The concentration you are given, molar concentration you are given is in what? Per dm cube. As a matter of fact, let me decide to use that dm cube. You can now convert it to what? To cm cube later. You can still do that. So number of moles is equal to molar concentration times what? Volume. Okay, what is the number of mole we got? 0.2. Molar concentration 2 times the volume we are looking for. So then the volume will be 0.2 divided by 2. By dividing both sides by 2. That will be 0.1 dm cube. So you can now convert this 0.1 dm cube to what? Cm cube. Don't forget that 1000 cm cube is equivalent to what? 1 dm cube. Note, 1000 cm cube is equivalent to 1 dm cube. So definitely, if I want to change this to cm cube, that means it will be 0.1 times 1000, and that will give me 100 cm cube. That means 100 cm cube of HCl will react with 6.5 grams of what? Zinc. 100 cm cube of 2 mole per dm cube. This is the concentration. Don't mix them together. Molar concentration is not the same thing as mole. Molar concentration is mole per dm cube. While mole is just a number of moles. And this is the volume we are asked to find. That's all. Okay, if you look at this question now, calculate the mass of zinc, which will react completely with 500 cm cube of 0.1 mole per dm cube HCl. You notice that is the reverse of the question we just finished with. Yes. In the first question, we are given the mass of zinc. We were asked to find this volume. But now we are given the volume. So let's say how we go about that. First and foremost, you have to convert the whole of this to mole. That's the first thing. Yes. How do you convert? Using the formula I wrote the other time. Number of mole of HCl will be molar concentration times volume. This time around, the volume is given in what? Centimeter cube. So I need to put it there. Then I will have to divide by what? 1000. As I said the other time. You know, the other one, I did not divide by 1000 because I was to find the volume. And I found my volume in dm cube. Then later change it to what? Cm cube. But this time around, we are given volume in cm cube. So, and molar concentration is a mole per dm cube. See. So the unit of volume there will not, will not correlate. So we need to make them uniform. That is the essence of this 1000. Because 1000 cm cube is equivalent to what? 1 dm cube. Take note of that. Alright, that means with this I can find the number of mole. Molar concentration is 0.1. Volume given is 500 over 1000. So that will be 0.05 mole. So I've been able to get 0.05 mole of what? HCl that will produce the mass of zinc we are looking for. So according to this reaction now, don't forget this is 1 mole zinc and this is 2 mole HCl. That means according to the reaction, one mole of zinc react with 2 moles HCl. And 1 mole of zinc is what? 65 grams, which is the atomic mass. 65 is 65. So that means 65 grams zinc react with 2 moles HCl according to this reaction. But let's say X grams of zinc now that we are looking for will react with what? 0.05 mole HCl, because this is the mole that will produce the mass we are looking for. So when you cross multiply, what do you have? Then you will see that X will be 65 times 0.05 divided by what? 2. Let's do the calculation. Yeah, that is 1.625 grams of what? Zinc. So this is our answer. That means 1.625 grams of zinc will react completely with 500 cm cube of 0.1 mole per gm cube HCl. That was the end of this question. If you really appreciate it, please do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel, Science Explained _KA. Then you will be given the notification of the subsequent videos. Also, press the like button and share. You can as well follow me on my Facebook page, which will be later revealed as time goes on. See you in the next video. Bye.